Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Well, it's a really nice day at the airport. I'm just down at the hangar setting up the airplane for a couple of flights that I have tomorrow. I thought I'd take this opportunity to answer some questions that some viewers have asked about how the cameras and audio are set up in the airplane. Some viewers have asked me how I mount the cameras and how do I record the ATC audio. I guess I'll take this opportunity to show you how I do that. On the co-pilot side, we have a GoPro camera with a GoPro audio adapter that connects to the headset port down here. There's also a power bank cable that allows it to keep the battery charged throughout the entire flight. On this side over here, we have an Osmo action camera. It also has an audio adapter and power bank cable that allows us to keep that camera charged the entire time. The audio cable connects down here. Some viewers have asked why I don't mount the camera right here. And I really like that view right out from the center of the cockpit. But the problem is that location interferes with us getting in and out of the airplane. And also it's adjacent to the emergency panel, which has our oxygen mask, the cap handle, and also a few other really critical buttons and switches. So we definitely don't want to have a camera in the way of that stuff. And we also don't want to have a camera that blocks our ability to quickly evacuate the airplane if we need to. I really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Thanks for your questions, comments, and feedback. I hope this video provided some sort of insight as far as how I mount the cameras and record audio. Some people might ask, why is there a rubber band wrapped around that Osmo action camera? And it's simply to allow me to make sure that the audio adapter does not come loose during flight. I've had that happen before and it ruined the audio. So it's a cheap yet effective solution to keep that audio adapter connected to the side of the camera. And again, thanks a lot for watching the channel. Thanks for your comments, questions, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.